We are unboxing Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. This was released on January 17, 2022. The weight is 508 grams, which is like ideal weight to carry it around. And it's Android 11. Now the storage varies, so it starts from 32 GB and then there's 64 GB, 128 GB model. So it depends on you which one you want to have. You have the option of micro SD card and a SIM card too. And the RAM is from 2 to 4 GB, so 2, 3 and 4 GB RAM. It depends on the storage and the RAM, then the model differs. The display size is 10.5, so it's like 1200 by 1920 pixels, and the camera is 8 megapixels, and it has really good reviews. Thank you for watching.